Welcome back to Spy Garage.
In the field of upscale passenger transportation, the 2026 Prevost H3-45 Motorcoach is a model of elegance and technical prowess. As a direct descendant of Prevost's illustrious heritage, this vehicle exemplifies a sophisticated progression in motorcoach design, placing a premium on technological integration, operational efficiency, and passenger comfort. The 2026 H3-45's exterior appearance is distinguished by its aerodynamic and streamlined contours, which demonstrate Prevost's dedication to both fuel efficiency and visual appeal. A distinguishing characteristic of the H3 series, the panoramic windows provide passengers with wide-ranging, unhindered views of the surroundings and are smoothly incorporated into the vehicle structure. The sturdy chassis, designed for stability and longevity, highlights the vehicle's ability to handle severe operating conditions and long-distance travel. Energy-efficient LED lighting and other advanced lighting systems improve visibility and add to the coach's sleek, contemporary look. The 2026 Prevost H3-45's interior is a haven of luxury and comfort. Executive travel and luxury touring are just two of the many seating arrangements available in the roomy cabin, which has been painstakingly constructed to serve discriminating travelers. For long trips, the ergonomic seating, which is upholstered in premium materials, offers outstanding support and comfort. The cabin is always comfortable thanks to climate control technologies that use cutting-edge temperature management and air filtration. One distinguishing feature of the 2026 H3-45 is its technological integration. The bus is outfitted with cutting-edge infotainment systems that provide passengers personal or group entertainment choices, such as high-definition screens and top-notch sound systems. The demands of the contemporary traveler are met by advanced connectivity features including integrated charging ports and high-speed internet access. The driver's cockpit, with its user-friendly controls, extensive instrumentation, and cutting-edge safety systems, is a marvel of ergonomic design and technological sophistication. These systems, which put the safety and well-being of the driver and passengers first, may include electronic stability control, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure warning. A major factor in the 2026 Prevost H3-45's design is operational efficiency. With its strong and fuel-efficient engine, the powertrain is designed to provide maximum performance with the least amount of negative environmental impact. Improved fuel economy and lower emissions are a result of advanced transmission systems and aerodynamic improvements. A lower total cost of ownership is a result of the sturdy design and premium parts, which guarantee long-term dependability and reduce maintenance needs. To sum up, the 2026 Prevost H3-45 Motorcoach represents the ultimate in opulent passenger travel. It sets a new benchmark for comfort and performance in the motorcoach market thanks to its elegant exterior, luxurious interior, cutting-edge technology, and efficient operation, making it a top option for discriminating operators and passengers.